All right. What is going on, YouTube? Thought I'd watch live with you a little while just to see if Price does anything fun. Let's see if I can find you guys in the chat here. Thought I'd watch live with you. There we go. We got volume and audio. There we go. Nice. What's up, Andrew? How's it going, man? Just you and me right now. Thought I'd do a little watch party with Bitcoin. Looks like it's about to dump. So let me just let my Telegram group know that we're live. Okay, I'm going to pull up my Kraken account as well just to make sure that I can trade when I want to trade. Nice. I'll just talk about now that I'm all set up. Andrew and hey Max, what's up, man? You just make sure his volume and audio, video good for you guys. Looks okay on my end, but I just want to make sure it's okay for you guys. Show you something I've noticed here on corrective moves when they start to fizzle out. You see, I drew this channel right here on this guy right here on this corrective move. You'll notice that this one came all the way up here, but then they just kind of kept getting lower and lower, never in the channel. It never wanted to make it back up to the top of the channel. And then, so I'm wondering if a pattern here is if we get lower and lower in the channel, it's just the way it fizzles out. What's up, Ian? How's it going? Trying to find another little corrective area to just do a little test on that and see, because it looks like we're about to break that channel right now to the downside. Be very, very nice. We are testing it. It is testing. Ad, what's up? Hi, bruh. So yeah, so see how the channel's up here, but then as it came back up, it just didn't have the same amount of oomph, and then this another one didn't have as much oomph. It's just kind of fizzling out. So buongiorno there, Roberto. What's up, man? All right. So yeah, it looks like we're breaking to the downside. That's awesome. Awesome. Let's check Ethereum. Now Ethereum, kind of already broke. It's just been going sideways, waiting for BTC to do something. So I'm wondering, wondering what's going on there. But it had more strength there. That's the 15-minute chart. There we go. Yeah, that's the. What's up, Tony? How's it going, buddy? I'd like to see some follow through here and not just playing around. Definitely like to see some follow through. I'm just kind of. What's up, Gary? How's it going, man? Hey, Dennis and Eric. How's it going? Hey, Aaron. Hello. Thought we'd have some fun watching BTC Tank here. Let's see if it does. See if we get some big 4:30, 5 o'clock action today. Whoa. 107 degrees. Wow. Wow, man. That's hot, dude. That is hot. Come on, we need to see some follow through out of this candle. Got to watch out for a pullback right here, and then on the next candle, a shoot up to the upside. That's shoot like that. Watch out for that right there. They'll pull back at the last second, right before this candle closes. It'll just be a wick, and then the next candle, boop, will be a big one. So let's see some follow through here. Let's see some. Yeah, let's see that right there. A lot of Aussies around here. Max is Aussie. I think High Desert Garden, who watches me a lot, is an Aussie. And let's see. There's just let's see. Dean. I haven't seen Dean for a while, but Dean's around. He's from Australia, and I'd like to come there one day. I'd like to come and see what it's like. The Aussie dollar is one of my favorite currencies to trade on the Forex because it's going down. It's been going down for a long time. A long time. It's about ready to rebound. Let's see here. 1 minute till candle close. See how we have kind of a three-wave move right here up to the 127? Then I pull it off of that right there. 618. That's kind of a weird wave shape. I always hate when they do this last, pump. You had a three-wave move, and then they do another pump. This actually broke the high by $1 right there. So this can't be a 1-2. So whatever we get, guys, is going to be a one-way. See what they did? They just pulled it back. They just pulled it back right there. They were enticing shorts right there. Guys, this thing's going to go up. This thing's about to rocket up, I'll bet. Not to scare you. But, yeah, that was... Next candle is going to be a green one. You watch it. That's the crap they do. Oh, well, hey. Yep, there it goes. See, this one kind of already broke out of the channel to the upside if I draw it that way. Haven't even got to the one-to-one extension here in Litecoin. In Litecoin, we haven't even gotten to the one-to-one extension. But it's a 535. It looks like we might have one more wave to the upside. But if it gets up here to 45, my yellow line of death, guys, that's going to be impulsive. That's my, or that's where this breaks my count. My count breaks down. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm expecting a 5 wave down. But if it gets up here, it's going to break the level of the 4. So that's not going to be 4. This could be the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. That could be the count, and this is just a corrective wave to the upside. The fibs tell that tale. This comes down to the 1618 right here. That's a nice 5-wave structure there for a 3, 4, and then a 5th wave, kind of a weird, ugly fifth wave, but it is what it is. Most fifth waves are ugly. So tell me where what your positions are, guys. Y'all long or short? What do you wanting? What are you wanting to do? Dump or pump? I'm looking for a dump down to 69 first. Yeah, look at that. Look at that junk. That's funny. They know what they're doing, guys. They know what they're doing. They know exactly where that line is. They know exactly where price is and relative to that line on our chart. They know where the trend lines are, guys. Let me go into the... See, this is just a three-wave move right there. I don't know how to count that impulsively. Looks like a three-wave move. So that looks like a three-wave move. And this might be a three-wave move. So this might be... I would like to see it go deeper, but... down here, if it's just going to be a three-wave. Ian, you think we're going to 5,500, man? Right away? I don't know, man. I think we'll hit 55. I'm pretty bearish on Bitcoin, but I don't know if we're gonna hit it right away. Hey, Brenda, what's up? Oh, there's a lady right there. Always has something kind to say in my videos. Really appreciate that, Brenda. Thank you. A lot of you guys leave good messages all the time on the comments on the videos. Let me just tell you, thank you very much. I really appreciate it. I'm only 120 people away from 115 away, I think, from 2,000 subs. That'd be kind of cool to break 2,000 before the end of the year. It'd be kind of neat. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Hey, Seth. There's another guy right there. Comments on my videos often. How you doing, buddy? Nice. If you guys didn't watch the live stream, Trading Night School last night, definitely recommend it. Talked about some RSI strategy, an RSI strategy that I use, as well as talked about a trend line strategy. We just kind of broke away from Elliott Wave for a little while, just some basic trend line strategies that, or just basic strategies that new traders can start thinking about using that are high probability. Nice, man. Good. So am I. I traded the Forex today, and I had a good trade going, and I got a little cocky, got a little playful, and I lost everything I made today. So that kind of stunk. When I should have tripled what I made originally. So yeah, I learned something. I learned I need to stop playing with the market. I was trading EU today. I got a little cute. I was shorting it from the top, and around the 50% retrace, I got a little. I nailed a pivot, and I just didn't take profit quick enough, and boom. We're always learning how to trade better, developing our strategies and what works for us. Oh, man. When am I going to give signals? I tell you what pair, what pairs do you like to trade? Dun, dun. Well, this turned out to be a nothing burger. Okay. It broke the line and came back in. Nothing. Told you it was gonna. Okay. Or I will hunt you down. What what forex pairs do you like? Do you like, man? Brendan, no. I made a video earlier. I talked about I'm looking for a down move. Still am. Still am. Well, on the Forex you got to use a quasi Elliott wave strategy. Technical Elliott wave works a lot better on crypto. You gotta really just understand market makers and what and levels and what they're doing as it approaches an Elliott wave count. But it's not very technical. But the pivots are technical. So, oh, sorry. Oh no, did I think it was going higher? I considered. Here's. Let me go down to the 1 minute chart, and I'll show you what I did. So I was short. This is EU. I actually shorted it. Get my arrow here. There it is. I actually entered short right here on that wick right there. It went up for another high. I was like, that's all right. I just waited for it to come back because the market always comes back. And I waited through the Asian chop. And this morning it finally went down, and I was really fine with my position and all of that. And the market, let's see, the market came down, boom, right there. I was up 30 pips, and my strategy is 25 to 50 pips a day is what I try to shoot for. So I actually took profit. I'll show you the fibs that I took profit on. What I did, let me go out to the 2 minute chart here for a second. I'm going to throw the fibs on this guy. I had the fibs up here, retracement fibs. And look what, when price came down here to the 50% line, I took profit and reversed the trade. And it came back on me beautifully. I mean, it was beautiful. Right here we had this bounce, and I was up another 17 pips, and I was like, is this reversal? And then all of a sudden I got that tank right there. It was just like, that happened in 2 minutes right there, 4 minutes. So I really thought, as price was coming down, I was like, this is going to go back up like that probably. And no, it just boom. So all the profit that I made there, I lost right there. Had I taken profit up here, I would have had a nice day. I would have had about 50 pips for the day. That would have been a really, really good thing. I didn't do it, so that was my trade today in EU. So yeah, so I just let it go. I just let it do its thing, and it did its end of the day chop, and we'll pick it back up next week, and we'll try again. So yep. Let's see here. How we doing, guys? Anything new? Nothing. Nah, Angel Tech, I have not seen that chart. I would like to. The stock to flow chart. What is the label of that chart? He has, man. He has. I am blessed in Christ. I appreciate it, Rec Trader. I am blessed in Christ. He has come to earth in peace towards me and not anger, and he died for me on the cross. And I am blessed in the beloved one. Thank you, man. Appreciate that. You can see all my alerts that I have set here. So when price came up here, I had an alert right here, and then I had one here. I have one here and here. And so when price made it through these areas, I would get a lot of signals. So if I started getting a bunch of stuff on my phone, chiming in, it would tell me that price was, price was moving up. So that's what I do. Instead of set stops, I set alerts for myself, and I set several alerts. I don't like to tell my broker and my exchange. Okay, I'll Google it. I don't like to tell my exchange where my stop is, because I believe that they're evil entities out to take your money. I don't recommend you trade without stops, but if you're able to monitor your trade, and stay on top of it. I set those alerts at key places so that I get alerted before it reaches my entry, so I can get out of the trade if I want to. So I'm short from 74.80, but I don't know where I should turn for long. I don't believe this is an impulse wave, but it could be an impulse wave. Okay, I don't believe it is. If we don't break this line right here, guys, then we're gonna go up again. Okay, I'm looking for another move up in Litecoin. Okay, Litecoin, I got a 5-wave here, a 3-wave, and then I got 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm waiting for a 5th wave up here to maybe 44.72. That might correlate with a move to the upside with Bitcoin. So, but that being said, I don't know. I'm trying to get to where I can see more information. I don't know where price is coming. I've got. Let me zoom out and I'll show you. I mean, you guys have been watching my videos long enough. You know what I'm looking for. I'm looking for price to come on down to the 618 at least, guys. I mean, 69.90, yeah, 67,000. Come on, come and hit it, or even down here to the 786. I like that better at 68.09. If I do if I throw the fibs on this move to the downside here, I have beautiful confluence here. 1-to-1 extension right here and 1.276 right here at the 786. So I don't know. There's a lot of good confluence here. So I like that right there. So I like 6,800. That's a nice target for me. I'm probably going to exit if price gets down there, I'll probably take profit at 68, depending on wave structure as it comes down. It really does matter. Okay. Yeah, I got time. Gary, I'd be glad to. I'm just hanging out with you guys, seeing if price is going to do something this afternoon. It may be a big nothing burger, guys. We go to bed. We leave, and I'm going to hang out with the family here shortly. I just thought I'd hang out with you guys for a little while at least, and see. So yeah, I'm still short as well. Your entry is better than my entry. Because I stayed in a trade. I tend to be a little patient in my trades because the market does come back, and I tend to hold them rather than stop them out. It's not the best habit in the world. But if we're in a WXY correction, I'm more likely to hold it than stop it. Let's see here. What was it called? Stock to flow. Bitcoin. Stock to flow ratio. Looking at Bitcoin, the stock is the number of circulating Bitcoins. Okay. At the time of writing, and this is close to 18 million, and this is August 30th. While the flow is the number of Bitcoins produced in a year, which currently amounts to an average 657 Bitcoin per year at the current block reward of 12.5 BTC. All right. Bitcoin stock to flow live. Oh, let's see. What am I looking at? I don't know how to read this. I don't know how to read it. All right. I'll just leave that there for now. Angel Tech, tell me how to read it and tell me what I'm looking at, and I'll be glad to entertain it there. $2025 is $1 million, huh? I see. So these are the projections. So they're projecting $100,000 Bitcoin in 2021. I got it. I see it now. I understand. So this is the projection. Are these the halving dates right here where these little wedges are? Yeah, that's a halving day. All right. What are we doing here? Come on down. You know you want to. Is it just going to stay here all day long? Guys, this watch party is dull. Hey, let's hope it does it. Let's hope it. Who's to say though it won't just kind of. Aaron, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you, buddy. I was hoping Bitcoin might be doing something, but it's not. It's just kind of sitting there. All right, let's check out some of the other charts while we're waiting around here. Let's look at. Let's see. I had a request for XRP. Was it XRP? XTZ. All right. I'll get to GBP JPY shortly. The trend is your friend. It's going up, baby. XTZ is going up. There's more upside in that wave. There's more to come. I wouldn't be buying right now, personally. The reason that on the 4 hour we've got some divergence happening here. So we got major divergence here. It looks like it's about ready to fall. We're going to get a bit of a correction. And then we've got divergence all the way from back here to here. So, yeah, there's divergence. So it looks like it's priming for a fall. But just looking at the wave, just Elliott wave, it seems like it needs to go up some more. But the divergence is telling a little bit of a different story. Might have one more hit to the high before it comes down, but can't guarantee that. Yeah, I think an ABC is due. What I would do, Gary, is on this wave right here, draw a channel on it off the bottom, just like that. Okay, when price starts coming down and then breaks out of that, that's a good short. If you want a good, maybe a target for that short, you might draw a line off of here. So right here, so price might, come on down to this region. If it breaks that, oh boy. This is all I have on Tezos here. It's from Binance. How about hit BTC? Okay, there we go. That's more like it. There we go. Now we got some more information. I was just like, there wasn't a lot of information there. That's better. Yeah, guy. Yeah, this is the daily guy, and we've got major divergence going on right here. We are due Do for a low. We'll move down. It's ready. It is ready. Yeah, Forrest, I would say just looking at this wave, just by the eye of it, just by the look of it, it's got more upside to go. But maybe not. Let's see if I can count this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Definitely have this bottom trend line on your chart. Watch for a break of that thing. On the 15-minute, price is going up. We got major divergence here. Had to move down to the downside. Yeah, this is going down. I mean, huge divergence. Look at all that. Then you just had a tank. This is interesting. Hey, K4, what's up, man? What is up? All right. Let's check out GBP JPY. GBP JPY. There we go. Yeah. Yep. Expect price to come on down to retest this low right here. Now we may get another hit up here before we come down, so be careful for that in the short term. Let's zoom out. Go to the daily here. Oh man, on the daily, guys, we got a flat working right here, buddy. It's going up. It's going up. Now it may come down, but general trajectory on the daily is up on GBP JPY. We have a nice little diagonal there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right there. So we got a nice diagonal. We had a three-wave kind of a complex correction there. Excuse me. Could do a double zigzag like this. So you got a double zigzag here. Either way you look at it, this looks like a flat. Boom, boom, boom. So yeah, much upside ahead for GBP/JPY. Or looking, let's target the 1-to-1 extension at 158.932. So that's your first target zone right there. Notice how you got some confluence right here with this area. Let's see. Who requested GBP/JPY? Let's make sure you're here. Emma, hopefully you're here to see this. So yeah, I'm targeting this structure. Sorry, I'm having a hard time with my screen here. Right there. This price zone is also, that price zone is probably a good structure. And your third target, if you make it up here, it's going to be retesting the high. Most likely. Yeah, we'll go back to BTC, Martin. But yeah, I already kind of, I mean, I haven't done a whole lot of analysis. I've just been kind of watching price with you guys, more of a watch party. And people have been requesting charts, so I just thought I would do a couple of them. So yeah, I'm kind of seeing price kind of come up here if this is a flat. Now, if we don't break this high here, if we don't break that high, and we come on down here, then yeah, obviously that the flat is invalidated. But that's what I would expect price to come on down, and pretty impulsively. It's going to come up pretty sharply. So GBP/JPY is looking in this region first, and then we see where we go from there. Okay. Well, glad you're here, Emma. Glad you're here. All right, so hopefully that gives you some ideas there. Let me go on the 4 hour and see if there's what we're expecting there on the 4 hour. Oh, now come on. Yeah, we're way oversold here on the on the RSI. I would be waiting. We already got a pullback started. If I had to guess, on Sunday when price starts again, we're probably going to have a move working back up to this high and then down. Just probably something like that would be my guess. It'd probably be the way I'd be looking to trade it, at least. But we've got more upside to about 158, so watch out for that level, okay? All right. XRP. Let's check out XRP. All right. Let's go out on the daily. Oh, no. Let's do, there we go. All right, let's see here. First thing I see that just kind of jumps out at me, this wave right here kind of resembles this wave here. Now, whether we get another hit to the low or not remains to be seen. One, two, three, four, five. Looks like we need a fifth wave to the downside. Let's go to the 4 hours. Yeah. One, two, three. Now, is 4 done? One, two, three. Come on. And then we got to move down. Yeah, it's the same deal, guys. I mean, Bitcoin, Ethereum, everything's doing. We got this leading diagonal structure here at the beginning of it. Sorry. You got a 3-wave pullback here. That's pretty nice 3-wave. You got another 3-wave here to the upside. So we got a nice 3-wave there, a 3-wave there. Looking for a 3-wave here, guys. So we may get a move to the upside here. Well, it doesn't look like it's 3-way. It looks like we need to do that. Maybe not, but it's the same deal, guys. It just depends on what Bitcoin does. But do we have this working? We can't stop yawning, guys. Or do we have this working? This is done. That's a leading diagonal 1. That's 2. And then we're getting ready to shoot the moon. So 1, 2, 1, 2. Boom. Go to the moon. So, yeah, I mean, XRP could be ready to moon or tank. I can see it both ways. But I'm biased to the downside. I am. I'm a bear at heart. I'm a bear at heart. Look at LTC. See, I think LTC has one more hit to the high. Which makes me think that Bitcoin may as well. So we got a nice, is that a nice 5-wave move? Are they playing nice on that one? I don't like the way, oh wait, there's a 1, 1, 2. That's better. Yeah, that's a nice impulse there. So there's a 5-wave structure there, 3-wave pullback. So the problem with Litecoin is that this hasn't even come to the 1-to-1 extension yet. So kind of looking for one more move on Litecoin. So that's what I think. Whew. Tired, guys. Been up on a roof all day today. Yeah, no problem, Angel Tech. No problem at all. Oh, man. Let's see. Let's go to the 5-minute chart here on this last wave. What is that? I can't see it. I cannot see it. Look at that junk. Can't tell. So I don't know if we're going to get another hit to the high before we come down or not, but I tend to think so. Tend to think so, but I mean, that seems like a 5-wave move right there. We need a 5-wave to finish. This looks like 4 finished. 5 might come up here, but I don't want to come up past 45. I don't. I want to see it come on down. BTC doing nothing. It's where it was last time I looked at it. All right. What was the other one? Somebody asked for... Yeah, I already messed with Tezos a little bit ago. Neo. Somebody asked for Neo. That's what we want. All right. Neo. Yeah, I've actually messed with Rinko. My version of TradingView only lets me do daily Rinko, though, unfortunately. So yeah, a little unclear where Neo's headed. It really depends on Bitcoin. If we get another move down, that becomes an impulse wave right there. It's not looking good. You know, it looks more downish to me right now. Neo does in the immediate term. See what kind of divergence, if we have any here. Nothing to speak of, really. Are you seeing something that I don't see, Seth? Because I don't see nothing there. I just see a little piece of crap BTC just kind of playing around right now. Oh, man. Oh, man. Well, guys, we got a big nothing burger going on. Big nothing burger. I'm pretty tired. I'm pretty sleepy. I need to probably go chill with the fam for a little while, take a little nap, see what BTC's doing a little later. I might have a late night ahead of us tonight. Who knows? So, yeah, a little bit of a move going right there. We got a couple of dollars moving. Couple dollars. So, guys, it's my pleasure to be with you this afternoon. I was hoping we'd see a move to the downside. It was looking down when I started. It's not looking down anymore, and I don't want to keep sitting here staring at a chart all night. But I will be looking at it. If it starts moving again later on, I might pop back in. So, but I don't. Yeah, I'm gonna hang out with the fam tonight. We haven't put our Christmas tree up yet. Isn't that funny? So we're gonna probably go ahead and do that tonight as well. So. Easy to see on the 1 minute. Little diamond forming. Okay, let's check the 1 minute. Yeah, I mean, you know. Still corrective in nature. If we're going to move down here, that could be an impulse. This could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That could be 5 waves there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh yeah, the recent low didn't. That's true. That is true. That is true. Be on your guard for a bull move, but I'm still seeing price just hitting one more time to the upside before it tanks. So if Litecoin is telling us anything, we got one more hit to the up, then we go down. Litecoin looks like it has one more move to the upside. Right there. To me, that's A, B, C. Like that. 5, 3, 5. Best I can see right there. Best I can see. Well, Mira Jen, thank you very much. Merry Christmas to you, and welcome from Canada. All right, I'm in Maryville, Missouri, the top left-hand corner of Missouri, just right there in the corner. All right, getting a little action right now. Getting a little action. I'll stay on the line with you for a minute. Eating some marshmallows. My son's in there playing 007 GoldenEye on the Xbox. I'm going to have to go in there and join him. Where's the cat?
I don't know.
Where's the kitty? Kitty's been doing really well. We rescued it from outside. It was very, very weak, very small, like skin and bones. Kitty's been with us about a week and getting much more strong. Very cute little thing. Wakes me up in the mornings, walking on my laptop, walking on my head. We've got a dog named Coco. He's a pug, and now we have a cat. Never thought I'd be a cat person, but I like the little guy. Got some spunk and some personality. He's cool. She's cool. Named Waffles. Yeah, I hope we get the dump too, Mira. I'll tell you what. Mira. Yeah, 007. This is GoldenEye. We just have an Xbox 360, so it's the older game, GoldenEye. It's a pretty good little game. A lot of fun. Mira. Okay, good deal. Hi, guys in the house. Well, we got to look at Ethereum. I already kind of taken a peek at it, but we'll look at it again. So the thing with Ethereum is, we broke out of this channel here. Now we're moving up correctively. Y'all know the difference between moving up impulsively and correctively, right? So in an impulse wave, you get 5 waves, but with a corrective wave, with corrective waves, you get 3 waves, and those 3 waves measure to the 1-to-1 or the 1-to-7. So that's my 1 wave right down here, 1, 2. We don't even make it to the 1618 there. So I mean, there's no way I can get these fibs where I get, so that's a 3-wave move. Then that's a 3-wave move. We might get another 3-wave move to the upside first. So whenever you get 3-wave moves, guys, it's a WXY like that. Oh, hey, Martin. Yeah, I'm sorry. So you want the Bitfinex longs? I can look that up. Finish up Ethereum. I mean, don't worry about reminding me, man. I'm human. I forgot. I want to take care of you. Glad to help. I'm just pretty sleepy right now. On a roof in the wind today, and yeah, this thing just doesn't look finished. It needs to come on down to finished for me. One more push, but I could be wrong on that. we've already hit the retrace. We've already hit the golden zone retrace for Ethereum, but we have not hit that area for the for Bitcoin. Let's check out the longs chart here. Wow. All-time high. People have been stacking longs. Stacking them. I'm eating marshmallows. Little miniature marshmallows. I'm sorry. It's a watch party, man. Wow. Let's look up IG sentiment.
I thought there was a secret one.
In the IG sentiment report, 86% of people are long in IG, in the IG investment group. 93% are long in Ethereum, 98% are long in Ripple, and 93% are long in Litecoin. Yeah. Tell you what, man, I mean, that's just stacking. But who's stacking those longs? Let's check the shorts out. Nobody's shorting. Except me. And people, stupid people that listen to me. Yeah. 5,823 shorts. 41,000 long positions. That is just parabolic craziness. From November 19th. Let's see what the chart was on November 19th. Yeah, so right here is when we expected, a long push, a push to the long side, but didn't get it. Yep. And that's when they started growing right there. All the way down, long positions are being stacked here. Those longs are getting the Matic dump soon. Forrest, let me tell you something. We, retail traders, do not move the market. The market makers move the market whenever and wherever they want the market to go. So, now every long won't have a corresponding short. That's not correct. A short position and a sell position are two different things. Okay? That's what I'm saying, Forrest. Our little positions, I mean, they're not moving the market. They're just not. It takes the billions and billions of dollars of market makers to move the market. And they move it whenever and wherever they want to move it. But with that many longs, it would make sense that they dump it. I mean, why would they take it up? They lose money unless those are long positions of theirs. You know, and that's the big question mark. You know, whose long positions are those? Yeah, I've already done LTC, bro. I got one more push up for LTC. That's my take. Yep, we're getting it right now. ABC. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's LTC for you. What's up, Steven? I don't know, man. All this waiting is just there's a lot of tension building up in you, isn't it? Didn't it just build up? It builds up like crazy, and makes us all wonder, where's it going? Where's it going? You know, and you know, we want it to go long. You know, so. Maybe so, James. Maybe so. How's life down there in Puerto Rico, sir? Puerto Rico. Dun, dun. Nope, we are not getting a dump. Yet. I'm reading y'all's chats, guys. So, yeah, I hear you, Forrest. I do. I've just come to be very skeptical about the markets. They're just owned by banks, and yeah. Awesome, man. Glad you're around. Let's see. I was talking to you, Forrest. Emery, let's see. Waiting for Christmas, April Fools. Just like the pump on April Fools. Maybe. Over 10 minutes. More move on BTC. You think so, Webman? What makes you say that, buddy? Okay, I'll stop eating them. I gotta stay awake somehow. Nice weather. I'd love to be in Puerto Rico. We're gonna get some cold weather tomorrow, I heard. Let's see. Yeah, you want to add? You want to share that link to me in Telegram? Just send it to me and I'll find it. Just private message me, ad. Oh, I got you. Maybe there might be some volatility on the London close. I don't know. Well, go Seth. Go meet James Bond. That's where he is. Oh yeah, that's true. Asia does open around 6. That's right, but it's a weekend, man. So I don't know. Tell you what, I'm going to hang around till... okay. Who is this, Ad? What's he saying? What happened before the bear market in 2018?
Don't eat those.
I'm live.
And I still say don't eat those.
Interesting. So he's saying long from here. He's basically implying that those long positions that you see skyrocketing are the Bitcoin miners, that they dumped they dumped all their Bitcoin, they sold them, and then they took long positions at the bottom. That's what that guy was implying. Is that what you're saying, Ad? Hi, bruh. Guys, I'm gonna stay on here till 6 o'clock. Maybe 6:05. If nothing happens at 6, then no. I've been trying to get off for a while. Oh, let's see the cat. Oh no.
You broke it. Can they see?
Yeah, they can see.
No, they can't.
It's
delayed.
It's a delay.
I was like, look, it's not working.
That's our cat. Turn it down, son. I'm not gonna eat them all. I'm not gonna eat them all.
See? They know.
Is that you? Hi, bruh. Is that you? Shinji Osako. Da-da-da. Well, Crypto Hippo's live. You guys can at 6 y'all can go check his channel out and watch his live. He'll offer some stuff. He'll offer some stuff I haven't, so he'll have a perspective. All right, 2 minutes. 2 minutes till candle close and Asian Open. Get them all. You might be right. You might be right, Ad. I tell you what. I'm just not. The wave structure just isn't impulsive for me yet, and I don't like this bottom. I don't like it.
Don't talk about my bottom.
My wife said, "Don't talk about my bottom." Yeah, right after I stop recording, it's gonna just go boom. That'd be awesome. I'd be okay with that. I'd be all right with that. Listen, I'm just asking for it to go down $400. That's it. $400, $450. That's it. And then it can go up all at once, because that's my trading plan. that's what I'm planning on. So yeah. Seven seconds. 5, 4, 3. All right. It is open. New candle. And have a great evening, Brenda. We'll see you later. Henry? Yeah, man. Seth, you'll take one for the team for us. Okay, go ahead and put a buy order in and it'll go down. Perfect. Thank you. Thank you very much. I feel that way too sometimes. I'll tell you what. I do. So, all right, guys. Enjoyed being with you. You guys have a fantastic Friday. Thought I'd see if something would happen. Nothing's happening. Something might happen later on, so we'll have to wait and see. But you guys be safe. Trade smart. Watch your keep your capital. That's a big deal. Okay. All right. Y'all have a great evening. Good weekend. I'll bring a video tomorrow morning, and we'll see how it goes. All right. We'll talk to y'all later. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the live now. Thanks again, guys.